How to use your astrological sign's birth horoscope to transform every area of your life. Learn how to interpret the positions of the zodiac signs, sun, moon and other planets to better understand yourself and your place in the world around you. The book outlines the key principles of astrology and pinpoints ways you can use it as a form of self-help. This ancient art can help you improve many different areas of your life, from your personal and professional relationships to your health, wealth, and well-being. You'll also see how astrology can help you when you need it most, with practical advice about handling life's key moments, including changing jobs, starting a family, coping with financial difficulty, or facing retirement. Written in plain language and with sample case studies and beautiful graphics, astrology is your essential guide to navigating all of life's challenges and opportunities. Find the link below and buy the book now.